Kumshi benta penyara bat kintiu ya kastat ketip hakatany katanat CSR jong company de bilat kastar semen lom shinong menta kasngi ke Pynlong ke exam ya baro ki kena pule ki bana East Gentil District ki ba pule hak kerdan bakhadar ya ke tes Pynlong Hastar Public School lom shinong balawan ru ban sakhilang da Joint Director of School Education and Literacy Joy ubabat ru kumu in charge District School Education Officer East Gentil District uba lokisa lengdo Kiladon hadu aspa asa pungut ki kena school ki bana khadwei tili ki school na East Gentil District ki blawan ban yatanju yakane ka Star Merit Scholarship Award araja arpulai ka CSR kala de ban penshairu ba ki shipongut ki kena ki bapas ba ki banrong haga thop ka banangkong kinyo ya ka jingpun ku buram lembat ka scholarship ka ba marsan 2000 tangka ki arpungut ki khna ki banrung ha ga thup ka baar kinyo ya ka scholarship marlai 2000 tangka bat ki arpungut ki banrung ha ga thup ka balai kinyo ya ka scholarship ba mar khat san 1000 tangka marwe laong ru ba kani ka jing ai scholarship jong ka CSR jong ka Star Cement Company ka long kum ka jing pensilore ki khna bakin kiu shaprang ha ka jing nang start bat kiu shadu ki kardan ki kham shalor
Student of Holy Cross Higher Secondary School in Kiang. We came here to appear the Star Public School for the scholarship merit exam. And we thank the Starsmen for giving us this opportunity to appear the exam. It gives us the knowledge, especially when we going for our higher study. We get so much knowledge from here, like general knowledge, some experience we have written here in the exam. And then,
how do you feel about the exam?
I feel like this is the opportunity for us.
How is the questions?
The question is great, but some
Easy
are
or
difficult.
hard?
Some are difficult, but we are trying our best to write the exam, just to get our knowledge, to experience the question for the future for us.
We came from Higher Secondary School. We are very thankful to Star Public School for organizing this Star Merit Scholarship Test. We are very happy to write this exam. We get so many information and learning from after writing this exam, which will help us in our future prospects.